Hi there, hope you have a fantastic day today. This lesson I will teach you, number 1, how to find the equation of a circle from a graph. Number 2, how to sketch a circle graph. And at the end, you will get a chance to do it yourself to verify your understanding. So let's stop wasting time. So let's go straight into it. So let's say we have a circle. Okay, so let's say we have a point here as let's say P and a variable point. Okay, so we'll put X and Y. And we know that the center of this circle is 0, 0. So we know from here, from the center to this point here, is the radius. So let's name this R. So let me form a right angle triangle first. From this, if I draw this straight line down and this one here. So this distance here, okay, from 0 to Y, so this distance is Y. And then this one here, the length of this is X. So therefore, we know that the radius, of this circle here is the hypotenuse. So from the Pythagoras theorem, so to find R, so we know that R squared is equal to X squared plus Y squared, because R is the hypotenuse. So therefore, X squared plus Y squared is equal to R squared. So where's R is the radius. And the center is 0, 0. So therefore, this is the equations of a circle with the radius of R and the center is 0, 0. Let's say, for example, so write down the equations for each of the following circles. So first one, so step number 1, we need to write down the center first, right? And step number 2, we write down the radius. So center of this part here is 0, 0. And the radius is 1.3. So 1.3. Now we know the general rule for a circle is X squared plus Y squared is the radius squared. So therefore, the center is 0, 0, of course. And so therefore, X squared plus Y squared is equal to 1.3 squared. So 1.3 squared. So let me use calculator to work this out. So I just go 1.3 squared is equal to 1.69. Or I can even write in mixed numeral. So therefore, X squared plus Y squared is equal to 1.69. So that is the equations of the circle here. Now, second one. So first of all, we know the center of this one is 0, 0. And to find the radius, so R equal, so if we connect this point together, so we know that this is a right angle triangle. Correct? So all we need to do now is just find the R, the radius. But then we know that from here to here, the distance is 2. That's the X value because this is 2 here. And then the Y value, so is 3. So that is the distance. And the radius is the hypotenuse. So therefore, from Pythagoras theorem, so the radius square is equal to 2 squared plus 3 squared. And 2 squared is 4 plus 3 squared. 3 squared is 9. So therefore, the answer is 13. So therefore, we know that X squared plus Y squared is equal to R squared. So therefore, the equation for this is X squared plus Y squared is equal to 13. There you go. This is the equations of this circle here. Now, please pause the video and try this one yourself. Hi, I'm back. How did you go? So let me go through it with you. So first one, we know the center of this circle here is 0, 0. And the radius is 3 because from origin here, from here to here is 3. Or from here to here is 3. Right? So the radius is 3. And we know the general rule for this is x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. And the r is the radius, which is 3. So therefore, x squared plus y squared is equal to 3 squared. And 3 squared is 9. So there you go. This is the equation of this circle here. Second one. So we know that the radius is 3.5. So therefore, the radius square, let me just work it out. So 3.5 square. So 12.25. So 12.25. And we know the rule for a circle with the center of 0, 0 is x squared plus y squared is r squared. So therefore, the equation for this is x squared plus y squared is equal to 12.25. Part C. So first of all, we know that the center of this circle is 0, 0. And the radius is square root 2. So therefore, r squared, which is r squared, so square root 2 squared is true. So therefore, x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. That's a general rule, right? So therefore, x squared plus y squared is equal to 4 because 2 squared is 4. Part D. Again, we need to write down the center and the radius of this circle first. So the center of this circle is 0, 0. That is at origin. And then the radius. So to work out the radius, so we know that from here to here is the radius. And we know that if we form a triangle here, a right angle triangle, so this is 4, this is 5. Now to work out the radius, we use Pythagoras theorem. So we know that 4 squared plus 5 squared is equal to r squared. So we just put in a calculator. So for otherwise, we know that 4 squared is 16 plus 5 squared 25. So 20 plus 16 plus 25 is 41. So therefore, the general rule for this circle here is x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. And r squared is 41. So therefore, the equation for this is x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. So the r squared is 41. There you go. So hope you got all of them correct. Second example. So we need to find out the equations of the following circles. So we know the center is 0, 0. So part A. So let me move this down first. So we know that the center is 0, 0 and the radius is 3. So therefore, we know that x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. R is 3. So therefore, 3 squared is 9. So in another word, x squared plus y squared is equal to 9. So this is the equations of part 1. Now part B. So the radius is 2.5 and the center is still the same at origin. So we know that x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. And r is 2.5. So we know that x squared plus y squared is equal to 2.5 squared, which is r squared, right? And I just work this out by using calculator. So 2.5 squared equal 6.25. So therefore, this is 6.25. There you go. Now part C. So first of all, again, so the center is still 0, 0. So the general rule, as we know, is x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. But r is equal to 1 and 2/3. So r squared, which is equal to 1 and 2/3 square. So let me just work this out. Or you can convert to improper fractions and just work out from there. So that becomes 3 times 1 is 3, add 2 is 5. 5 over 3 square. So that will give me 25 over 9. So you can write like that, okay? So therefore, x squared plus y squared is equal to 25 over 9. Or you can write in mixed numeral if you like. Now, please pause the video and try this one yourself. Hi, I'm back. How did you go? Let's go through it together. First one. So x squared, we know that x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared because the center is 0, 0, okay? And the radius is 5. So therefore, r squared is equal to 25. So this means that the equation of this circle here is x squared plus y squared is equal to 25. Part B. The radius is 2/3 and the center is still the same at 0, 0. So the rule is x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. But r is 2/3. So if we square this, we need to square this as well. So that becomes 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9. Okay, otherwise just use your calculator. So this means that x squared plus y squared is equal to 4 over 9. There you go. Next one. So we have the radius is equal to 1 and 4/5. Again, the rule is x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. So we have r is equal to 1 and 4/5. So I can just quickly write in improper fractions. So 1 times 5 is 5, you add 4 is 9. So 9 over 5. And then we square it. That means I square this as well. So therefore, that is equal to 9 squared is 81, 5 squared is 25. So you can write in mixed numeral if you like. So otherwise, I can go x squared plus y squared is equal to 81 over 25. Or I can write in mixed numeral. So that give me 3 times, because 3 times 5 is 75. So 80 minus 75 is 5, and add 1 is 6. So 6 over 25. So that is x squared plus y squared is equal to 3 and 6 over 25. So it doesn't matter whichever way you write. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.